Hello and welcome to the FoxLMS YouTube channel. I am excited to introduce our new FoxLMS plugin. With FoxLMS, you can build advanced courses that are video-based, text-based, or a mix of both. Each lesson is created using the easy-to-use Gutenberg blocks. FoxLMS integrates smoothly with the WordPress Quiz Plugin, letting you add quizzes and assessments to keep learning engaging. When students finish a course, you can award them certificates to celebrate the successful course completion. Plus, you will get powerful features like advanced analytics and a review system for student feedback. We have even included personalized dashboards for teachers and students. Let's jump in and explore how to create an advanced LMS course together. To create an advanced course like the one we have displayed in the introduction part of the video, you will need to have the FoxLMS plugin installed on your WordPress dashboard. Also, to create and attach quizzes to your courses, we have activated and installed the QuizMaker plugin integration with the FoxLMS plugin. Also, in order the course takers can download their certificates right after the course completion, we have installed the certificate add-on for the FoxLMS plugin. In this video particularly, I will show you how to create a course from the admin perspective so that you can see what capabilities the admin has. At first, in order to add a course, new course, you need to go to the dashboard and FoxLMS plugin and courses page and click on the add new button. As we have already done this step, we can configure the existing settings of the course. As you can see, I have already added the course, added the image for the course. Also, I have added the lessons and attached quizzes. So let's learn how to achieve this result and create a course similar to this one. At first, let's check what settings we can configure for the course. This is the builder part of the course where we can add lessons, select from existing lessons, and add quizzes. Also, we can set a course image from the featured image part. Then we can go to the details tab. If we choose the free access mode, then the course is protected and the student or a user must register and enroll to access the course. Also, we can set the access mode as paid. In this case, the course will be protected via built-in PayPal integration, and the user needs to pay to get access to the course. Here we can set a price if it's paid, we can add a description, and we can choose course duration, for example 1 hour and 20 minutes. We will choose the free access mode and we can go to the settings tab. And here we can configure the enroll limit, difficulty level, and we can attach a certificate as we have the certificate add-on installed. So for the enroll limit, we can specify the number of students who can enroll in the course. We can specify the difficulty level of the course, whether it's beginner, all levels, intermediate, or expert. Also, we can choose a certificate so that the users can download them after the full completion of the course. And the last tab we can configure for the course is analytics. Here you can see some data about the course, lifetime sales, enrolled students, like the number of students who have enrolled in the course, lessons number, quizzes, enrollments in last 7 and 30 days, completion rate and count, in progress rate and count, and no started rate and count. We can go back to the builder tab. As we have already configured the settings of the course, it's high time to understand how to add lessons or select from existing lessons, and how to add a quiz to the course. At first, let's understand how to add a new lesson. For that, we need to go to our dashboard lessons page, and here we need to click on the add new button, add a new lesson, and of course configure its settings the way you prefer. Here you can see a Gutenberg block, which you can add it the way you prefer. You can add a title, you can add a content you prefer with images and tables, and here you can configure the settings of the lesson. We will check the settings the lesson provides with the lesson we have already created, so that you can visually understand how it looks like. And once you are done with creating a new lesson, you can publish it. Let's check the lesson we have already created. For example, we can check what is digital marketing lesson. We open it. As you can see, I have already added a title to our lesson. I have already added a content, an image, and what is important here to understand what settings configuration actually the lesson provides us. So we click on a lesson settings button. Here you can see sample lesson feature. If this option is activated, the lesson will be available for all users, no matter they are registered or guests. This option can be used if you want to use this lesson and this part of the course as an example. And the second option we can configure for each lesson is attachments. Here you can see that I have already added a file. You can add both a file and a URL, whatever you prefer. For this lesson particularly, we have chosen to add a file, and we have added a video about digital marketing. If we close it and then open it on a front end, like how it will look like on a front end, you can see that the user, the student, can click here and download the video. Not only you can provide a text-based content, as you can see the video has been downloaded. Not only you can create text-based content, but you can also create a video-based content, which is very important, so that the user can visually see what they have learned during the lesson. Besides this, we can also add a URL, and for that we can go to the second lesson. Here you can see that we have chosen the attachment as URL. We have added a anchor for the URL, and of course added the URL, so we can see the lesson on the front end. As you can see, I have already added the content, text. In this case, we have added a table here, and here you can see the link. The user can click on a video and open the video link and watch it, which is very user-friendly and easy. As we have already discussed the settings of the lesson, let's check how you can add the already created lesson or a new lesson to the course. You can click on the add lesson button, write the name for your lesson and save it, or you can click on a select from existing lessons button, and from the list you can choose your desired lesson and of course save it. Also, if you have installed the WordPress Quiz plugin to have a more advanced course with quizzes to test and evaluate the knowledge of your course takers, you will need to add a quiz. At first, let's understand how you can actually create a quiz. For that, you need to go to your dashboard. Then click on a Quizmaker plugin. Here you can see the quizzes we have already created. To add a new one, you just need to click on the add new button here. Then you need to configure the settings of the Quizmaker plugin, which is very easy. Also, we will provide you with a guide with a documentation link in the description of the video, so that you can easily understand how you can configure the quiz settings. Once you have created a quiz, you can save it, then insert it into any post you prefer and publish the quiz. Then you can head to your course, click on the add quiz button, and from the select you can choose the quiz you prefer and add it to the course. In this case, we have already added quiz for introduction to digital marketing. so we will not add a new quiz. And the same for all the courses and for all the lessons. So as we have already discussed how to create a course, how to add a lesson to the course, and how to configure both the course settings and lesson settings, we can go to the dashboard and understand what other features and capabilities the FoxLMS provides us. So we can go back to our dashboard. It is the admin dashboard part where you can see the courses you have created and the lessons you have created. The next wonderful feature offered by the plugin is the certificates. To get access to the certificates feature, you need to have the FoxLMS certificate add-on. To add a new certificate, you need to click on the Add New button. As we have already created the one, we can open it. Here you can see that the certificate is opened with the Gutenberg Block, so you can customize it the way you prefer. Here you can add some message variables we will discuss later in the video. And of course, you can write any text for this. You can also change the background of the certificate the way you prefer with the set featured image feature. You can choose whatever background image you prefer and add it by uploading the image. Once you have configured the certificate the way you prefer with the design you prefer, you can just publish it. And then what is important is to choose the certificate from the course settings, as I have already displayed. Once we have created a certificate, we can view it. Here is it. The text will be changed based on the course and the student name after completing the course on the front end. So it's just an example. So we have configured the settings of the certificate. We can go ahead with the next advanced features. Once we have discussed the certificate feature, we can go ahead with the next pages. We will discuss the analytics and reviews. For that, we go to the analytics page. Here you can see some data related to our course. You can see the overview of the number of students, instructors, overall courses you have created, average daily enrollment, overall lessons you have created, not only for one course but for all courses generally. Here you can see sales, whether you have earned money with your courses or not. Here you can see data related to the quizzes. You can see this part if you have the Quizmaker plugin installed on your dashboard. You can see the number of total quizzes, quiz completion rate, average quiz completion time, etc. Then comes the course data part. Here you can see the most popular courses and the least enrolled ones with a chart. And here you can see reviews, rating, course name, comment, reviewer, and review date. And the next page we are going to discuss is the reviews. If you remember, in the first part of the video, in the introduction part, we have written review for the course, and the review is not visible on the website on the front end for the course until the admin approves the review from the dashboard. As you can see, the course has one review and the average rating is 5. If we go to the reviews page and approve the review as an admin, then go back to our course and refresh the page. Here we will see that the review has been changed based on already 2 reviews and not 1. So the review is visible on a website if the admin has approved it. So we can go to the reviews page and see both the 2 reviews. As we are done with the analytics and reviews, we can go to the general settings page and check what settings the plugin offers us. Here you can specify the number of words to display for the course title. And the next one is the administrator settings. This option comes as default, as the admin needs to be enrolled in all courses, no matter whether they are paid or free one. And with this option, you can upload your desired logo. As we are done with the General tab, we can go to the Emails tab. Here you can specify from settings, like from which name, email address, and email subject the email will be sent to students, instructors, and admin. For example, we can write FoxLMS here, from FoxLMS gmail.com, for example. And we can write a subject, for example, digital marketing course, like this. And we can save the changes. The next option is email to students. As you may know, the user can pass the course if they are enrolled in it. So we will show you how to register as a student and how to register as an instructor later in the video. And now let's check what email is sent to the user, to the student, if they are successfully enrolled in any of the courses. So we tick this option and save the changes. Here is the email sent to the student when he or she is enrolled in a course. As you can see, the student name is displayed, and of course the course name. For the student name and course name are responsible for our message variables. We will discuss next in the video. The next feature is the email to instructors feature. Later in the video, we will show you how to register as an instructor, but now let's check what the email that is sent to the instructor when someone is enrolled in a course created by that instructor actually looks like. So we tick this option and save the changes here. So now when someone is enrolled in a course created by that instructor, the instructor will receive an email. This is the email sent to the instructor when someone is enrolled in a course created by that instructor. And the next email sending feature is email to admin. These emails are sent to admin when a new instructor signs up and new student signs up for on the website and for the course. So let's check these checkboxes and see what emails are sent to the admin in case of the new instructor and new student sign up. This is the email sent to the admin when the student registers on a website. Dear administrator, we are pleased to inform you that a new student has signed up on the FoxLMS website. Here you can see the student's name and student's email address. These both are message variables provided by the plugin, and some words are for the administrator to provide the resources for the student. And here is the email sent to the admin when the instructor registers on a website. Once we are done with the email settings configuration, we can go ahead with the message variables. Here you can see some message variables: student name, site title, earn date, site URL, and student email. You can use these message variables in the email message sent to the instructor, student, and admin. Also, you can use them in a course description and in a certificate. You have already seen how the message variables look like both in a certificate and in the email message. So we can go ahead with the payments page. Here you can see PayPal integration available to create paid courses. Here you need to enable the status as active and choose the currency from the list, like this one. And of course you need to configure the PayPal settings. For that, you need to click here, manage, and insert the needed details, PayPal email, client ID, and secret key. You can take this data from your PayPal account. Once you have configured the PayPal integration settings here, you need to go to the corresponding course, then to the course settings, details, and make the course as paid and save the changes. Now let's check how the paid course looks like on a front end. As you can see, the course is protected and the user needs to pay to get access to the course. You can click on a Take This Course button, then make the payment via PayPal, and of course get access to the course. And once the payment is done, you can go to the transactions page on a dashboard and see the details about the transaction. Here we go to the Transactions tab, and here we can see the transaction made. So now, as we have configured all the settings of the FoxLMS plugin, it's high time to register as an instructor and student and see how the dashboards both for the instructor and the student look like. So at first, let's register as an instructor. Once you install the FoxLMS plugin, the following menu items are added to your website by default. So the instructor can register by following this form. So we can fill in the details for the instructor and create an account. Let's do this together. Now we need to log into our dashboard. Here you can see the dashboard for the teacher. Here on the dashboard tab, you can see info about enrolled courses, completed courses, certificates of completion. Also, you can see the quiz attempts part. This part is displayed only for those users for whom the admin has enabled and installed the WordPress Quiz Plugin. We can go ahead with the Courses tab. Here you can see the courses you as a teacher has created. As we haven't created a course yet, there are no courses displayed here. And you can see the completed courses. Then you can see the certificates tab. Also you can see the reviews written for the course you have created. As again, we haven't created a course, there are no reviews yet. And here you can see some settings related to your dashboard. You can add a profile picture, you can change your personal information. Also you can go to the security settings and reset your password whenever you prefer. So this is the front end part of the website, but we can also register and log in as an instructor to the dashboard. So let's do this together. This is the admin dashboard for the instructor. As you can see, the FoxLMS plugin is not displayed in the menus part. This is because the admin of the website needs to approve the request of the instructor to be registered and for the LMS plugin to be displayed in the menu. So the admin will need to approve the instructor registration, so that the instructor can create courses, quizzes, and lessons. So let's, as an admin, approve the instructor so that you can see how this process works. So now, as you can see, we are registered as an admin. So to approve the request of the instructor, we need to go to the instructors page. And here we can see the request. As an admin, we need to click on the approve button to approve the instructor's request to be registered. That's all. The instructor is now registered on our website. Also, if you want to give the chance to create quizzes to the instructor, you need to go to the Quizmaker plugin General Settings page. And from the General tab, you need to give permission to the Fox Instructor user role to create and manage quizzes. As you can see, once we refresh the page, the instructor has the Fox Instructor role. So by giving the chance for the Fox Instructor role to create quizzes is essential for the instructor's dashboard. So now let's log in as an instructor to see what changes have been made due to our steps. Here is our instructor dashboard, and you can see that both the FoxLMS plugin and the Quizmaker plugin have been added to the instructor's dashboard, so instructor can go to the courses page. As you can see, the instructor sees only the courses he or she has created. The same is for the lessons. So the instructor can click on the add new button, create a course, then create a lesson and add the lesson to the course. Now as an instructor, you can create a post and insert all the courses you have created so far on one page so that your students can find your courses easily. For that, you need to go to the post page and click on the add new post button. So now we can write a title, for example, courses, and click on the plus button to add the FoxLMS course grid. We click here. As you can see, all the courses created by the instructor so far are displayed in a course grid. We can publish the post to see how it looks like on a front end. So here are all the courses created by the instructor, Fox Instructor. So displaying the courses on a front end with the FoxLMS course grid makes the process of finding all the courses by the corresponding teacher easier for the students. So now as we are done with the instructor dashboard part, let's register as a student and see the student's dashboard as well. As we are done with the teacher registration steps, it's high time to register as a student and see the dashboard available for the student. So here we need to fill in the necessary information and click on the create account button. So let's do this together. Now we need to log in to the student dashboard. Here is the student dashboard opened for the particular user. As you can see, there are no enrolled courses, completed courses, or the quiz information for this student, but we can enroll in any of the courses and see how the statistics is being changed here. So these are all the courses provided by the instructor. So we are logged in as a student. We can enroll in any of the courses to see the statistics changes on the user dashboard. Also, as you remember, we have created a paid course. I mean, we have enabled the PayPal for one of the courses. So we can click on the enroll button to access the digital marketing course. Here is the course on the front end. All we need to do is to click on the take this course button. So here is the PayPal page and the checkout page where we need to make a payment for the course. All we need to do is to click on the Pay with PayPal button and fill in all the details to finalize the purchase process of the course. So now as a student we have enrolled in 2 courses, and of course we have passed 1 quiz, so that you can see the quiz information here. So we can refresh the page. As you can see, 2 enrolled courses are displayed here, and of course the quiz information, like the name of the quiz, the questions count, correct answers, incorrect answers, grades, and whether the quiz is passed or not. Then we can go to the courses page where the student can see the courses he or she has enrolled. And on a completed courses page, the user can see what courses he or she has completed. As we haven't completed any course, there are no results yet. We can go to the certificates tab, and here the user can see the certificates. And then on a reviews page, the user can see the reviews he or she has written. For example, we can write review and see how the changes are taken here. In order to write a review, you need to mark as complete at least 1 lesson of the course. So we have 2 completed lessons. One is a lesson and the second is a quiz. So we can write a review. For that, we go to the reviews page here and we can write our review. For example, 5 stars and great LMS tool in the market. And we can click on a submit button. As you can see, there are 2 reviews displayed here until the admin of the website can approve your review. So as the admin has already approved our review, we can refresh the page. And here you can see already 3 reviews are displayed. Also, we can refresh the page on the user dashboard, on the student dashboard, to see how the changes are displayed here. As you can see, the course name, date, rating, and comment are displayed here. So the student can access all the reviews he or she has written. And the last tab we're going to discuss is the settings tab. Here you can provide a profile picture as a student. You can change your personal information, name, a last name, and email. Also, you can go to the security settings tab and change your password whenever you prefer. That's all. We have registered as a student and discussed the settings configuration of the student dashboard. So in this video tutorial, we have covered all the key features and functionalities of the WordPress FoxLMS plugin, showing you how it can help you create and manage effective online courses. If you are ready to start, then download FoxLMS today and bring your courses to life. If you find the video informative, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the FoxLMS YouTube channel for more informative content. Bye!